Hello friends, today we are going to be making the perfect matcha latte. Today we are going to be using a matcha bowl with a spout. These are actually available on our website. I use this one every day, and we are also going to be using our ceremonial grade matcha available on the website as well. You really want to make sure the matcha you're using is ceremonial grade and has a vibrant green color. This is going to make sure that your matcha is a high grade and you're going to get the best flavor out of your matcha. Here I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of matcha and I'm sifting it through until all the matcha has reached the bowl. You're going to need to do this step in some form because having clumps in your matcha does not create for a good and smooth matcha latte. Once you're done sifting, it should look something like this. Now I'm taking 1/3 measuring cup and I'm filling half of that with a room temp water. We're going to start mixing that, and it's going to be a little bit more of a concentrated look to the matcha. And then right now you're going to be wanting to heat up your kettle with that 175 to 176 degree water. And then once that's heated up, you're going to pour the rest of the half of that 1/3 cup into the matcha with that 175 degree water. It should look something like this, and you should see some bubbles that you created while whisking. Now you're going to grab your cup of choice and grab some ice. Here I use big ice cubes because I just love the aesthetic of it. So have fun with your matcha. And today's sweetener for me is going to be a fig syrup that I created out of a fig jam. I just took the jam, heated up some water, and made a little concentrate out of it. This is so yummy, but you can use anything you want here. I prefer honey or this. And you're going to fill up your glass now to the top of the ice with milk of choice. Now you're going to be pouring your matcha over the latte. Your result should be a beautiful layered matcha latte. You can see the syrup at the bottom. You have your milk. You can top it with a little garnish if you want. Today I chose a chamomile flower. Be creative, have fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out our website and try our matcha out. Thank you so much for watching.